Nishmas Etta Ahuva Avodah Zarah Perek Gimel Mishna Daled Shol Pruklis ben Philosophus Es Ringamliel Ba'akoy Sheyiroiches B'merches Shel Aprutidi. Ringamliel took a bath in the bathhouse which was located in the yard of the Avodah Zarah named Aprutidi, and this min Pruklis ben Philosophus asked Ringamliel, "What's pshat that you're doing that? It's Avodah Zarah." Amar so Gamliel answered. So he asked him like this: Why are you going to the bathhouse? It's Avodah Zarah. So Amar so Gamliel answered, I can't answer you divrei Torah in the merchas. When he left, Amar he told Maniloi basi bigvula, he basa bigvuli. It wasn't that the merchas went into the boundary of the Avodah Zarah. The merchatz was there first, and then the Avodah Zarah was put there later. No one makes a merchatz as a noi for an Avodah Zarah. And this is a second reason Rashi's gurish in the Mishnah of and also, besides the fact that the merchatz was there first, no one would ever make a merchatz as a noi. It's the opposite. The ikar over here is the merchatz, and the Avodah Zarah was put there as a tafel. And thirdly, davar acher am noisin l'chamam and harbi yata nichnas Avodah Zarah shalcha arim ubalkeri umashim b'faneh. No one would go to the bathroom in front of Avodah Zarah and walk their arim. V'zu oimedes al pi habiv v'chol ha'am mashtinim l'faneh. Everyone does it in front of there. Leinemer el leheim esheneig b'y mishum eleha aser. Only if you know chashivas in Avodah Zarah, then it could be aser. But over here, where they're going to the bathroom in front of it, then it can't be aser. The Gemara asks that it's Yedua, the Avodah Zarah of Pa'ar Rechiach, Shem Befar in the fun of B'chol Yom, they go to the bathroom, and yet it's not batal. So the Gemara has like 4 terutzim. One of the terutzim is Zu Avodasa B'kach, V'zu Ein Avodasa B'kach. If the Avodah Zarah was meant to go into the bathroom in front of it like the par, then echanam would be aser. But this Avodah Zarah wasn't meant for it, and yet they're going to the bathroom from it, so they're not being noig in it as Avodah Zarah, and therefore it will be mutter. Mishnah Hey Hagoyim Oedim Es Ha'arim Ve'es Hagvayis Hein Mutarim U'Mashaleim Asurim. The actual har and the mountains, that can't become aser. Only what's on top of it becomes aser. So it's machlokes. Why? The Tanakama says Shenemar Leisachmid Kesev Ezav Aleim. So it's only the Kesev Ezav Aleim. And Rabbi Yisagili Oimer Eliheim al Harim V'loi Harim Eliheim. Eliheim al Hagvois V'loi Hagvois Eliheim. That the Harim and the Gvois themselves are not the Avodah Zarah. And the Gemara discusses what's the nafkamina, where it's learned out from. The Gemara has 2 terutzim. One nafkamina is legabe the tzipoy of the har, meaning if there was like a layer of gold on top of the mountain. So according to the Tanakama, Tzipoy Har, Einei Kahar, and it would taka be also, would be considered Aleim. Mashenkin, according to Rabbi Yisrael, it would be considered like the Har, and batal to the Har, and since the Har is not Avodah Zarah, so the Tzipoy also wouldn't be Avodah Zarah. Rabbi Shesha says a different nafkamina, legabe a tree that was planted, and then afterwards they started serving it. That Rabbi Yosef Glili would hold that this is not like har, and it would taka be aser. Over here, Rabbi Yosef Glili would be machmer that it's aser because a ilan over here there's a tfisa sidei adam. It was planted, and therefore it will be aser mashen kein the har that wasn't planted. The Mishnah continues in Rabbi Yosef Glili, in fact, and says this: "Mimnei ma asher asura." Why is an asherah tree? Since a person planted it, it's aser. I'll explain the end of the pasuk. That the end of the pasuk speaks about Eitz Ra'anan, and Rabbi Akiva says that it's telling us har gavaya v'giva nasa of Eitz Ra'anan. If you find one of these 3 simanim, then you'll know da sheyesham Avodah Zarah. So the end of the pasuk is not telling us that the tree is an Avodah Zarah. The end of the pasuk is telling us to know where to locate where the goyim hid their Avodah Zarahs. If you see these things, then you'll know that Dashi Yesh Tam Avodah Zarah, that there's an Avodah Zarah over there, and thereby you'll be able to be ma'abed it and be mevarer it.